Hello, Chef here. Once again, another recipe for you. So people often ask me, Chef, how do you cook potatoes? And it's so easy. So this is one of them. Please subscribe to the channel right down there. Click that little icon right there. That little picture. All right, now that you're subscribed, you'll be able to find all kinds of potato recipes. Search the channel. There's a bunch of them. This one's fast. Fast, easy potato recipe. Thor's hammer. Always smash the garlic. It's fast, it's easy, no messing around, no gadgets, no gizmos. My garlic's ready to go. I've got a ceramic knife here, a little cover on there. Move the potatoes, start with the onion. We're talking fast, so I want to do this recipe pretty quick for you and just show you how simple it is. So I usually cut my onions in half like this. This particular recipe uses a lot of onions. In France, we call this Lyonnaise potatoes. But over here in the USA, it's just potatoes with onions. So fast, that's what I'm looking for. Good, tasty potato recipe that's fast. Notice I just pull the peel off. I'm not messing around with it. Onions are so inexpensive. There's no waste, by the way. This is going right in my stock. All of this good stuff here, I save it in the freezer. Chef's tip. All right, here we go. Line up your onions like this. This is a really fast julienne. I'm just going to go like this, up and down with my knife. Pay attention, keep your fingers rolled back. You want to keep all of them. Okay, just like this, really quick. I'm moving at maybe half speed. Little practice, you're going to pick up your speed. You're going to go like this, and people are going to go, wow, he's slicing them onions pretty quick. All right, there we go. Onions are done. Was that fast? Yeah, we can go a little faster next time. Okay, the garlic, very, very simple. There, I'm all done with the garlic. Why chop it any finer? It's going to cook all the way. The potatoes, these have been washed and air dried. That's how I like them. Another chef tip for you. Okay, I want to cut them evenly, nice and consistent. So I'm going to cut them first like this so that they sit flat. Another tip for you, safety. It's very important in the kitchen. By the way, make sure you're washing your hands quite often, and you'll find that video, how to properly hand wash, on the channel too. With the viruses going all over the world and the way things are happening, it's a good idea. Laves los manos. Wash those hands really good. Okay, often. All right, my potatoes are looking good. I like to line them up like this, and once again, we're going fast. So I'm going to, let me try to get in on the camera a little bit better here. I'm gonna keep my fingers rolled back, and I'm just gonna do slices that are consistently the same thickness. Just like that, okay? That's what you're looking for, okay? Yeah. Looking really, really good. Now, a little practice, you can do two at once, like this. Maybe a little bit faster. I'm not sure. Got to be very careful. These ceramic knives are wicked sharp. Very, very sharp. If you have one of these and it's not sharp, check out the channel. There's all kinds of videos on how to restore the edge and get it sharp. I like the ceramic knives for potatoes, carrots, onions, celery, fruits, vegetables, lots of small things. I don't use the ceramic knife for everything, but I do like them. So easy to use. Doesn't weigh anything. Nice. I'm all done with my cutting tasks. So you see, that was pretty fast. Okay. Made in the USA exclusives. Chef has 2 pans on the stove right now. Okay? This is actually a saucepan, and this is a hot wok. Both of them are hot. We're cooking and we're ready to go. So the next step right here is remove the lid using the right tool. Pot fork. Okay, all the potatoes go in. I've got just enough water to cover my potatoes. just like this. Pot fork, stir them up. Oh yeah, lid goes on. I'll be back. Okay, those potatoes are boiling. We're going to let them go at least 10 minutes. Over here I've got a nice hot wok, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. I like it. When it's hot, I'm going to put in my onions and my garlic. Got to check it out here. It's not quite ready. Oh yeah. Onions and garlic all together. Okay. There I go, washing my hands again. I think I've washed my hands about 43 times today. Pink sea salt, generous amount. Black pepper. Generous amount. Oh yeah, look at that flavor coming off those onions. You can almost smell it right through the camera. Yeah, this is going to be good. Okay, I let my onions cook. This is a French word for you. Caramelize. We are caramelizing the onions. That's releasing the natural sugars and letting them brown. Caramelization. Ah, you're learning. We let them cook. And I'll be back. Okay, let's check these potatoes. Yeah, they've been going for about almost 10 minutes now. Oh yeah, looking really good. This is exactly what I'm looking for, where it just pierces the fork like this. Okay, now these go in a strainer, and then from the strainer we let them air dry just a little bit. Ah, exactly what I'm looking for. Right there. Okay. Once the potatoes are air dried a little bit and start to cool off, then I'm going to add them to my onions. Oh, look at those onions. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. There we go. You remember the word you learned? Caramelization. Right there. Looking good. Okay, now, before I add my potatoes, a little more shot here of extra virgin olive oil. You gotta love it. Get it from Italy. It's the real deal. Here we go. Potatoes go in all at once. And what do? Let them cook. More seasoning, a little salt, a little more pepper. Why not? Oh yeah, a little more oil. Okay, just like that. Oh yeah, one thing chef likes to do is always do a little tasting. So here we go. Right here, this potato's looking good. The onion's looking good. I want to check and make sure there's enough salt and pepper on here. Wow! After I taste, I wash my hands once again. That is the proper sanitation method right there. Wash your hands. Okay, here we go. We're looking really, really good. Yeah, the potato recipe is almost done. Okay, how does that look to you? Please be Chef's friend and leave a comment. Comments are golden. It helps other people find the channel. And by the way, this potato variety is Yukon Gold. So that's a golden thought right there. Yeah, Lyonnaise potatoes looking really, really good. I'm going to show you how I'm going to plate these up real quick and simple. Like I said, this is a fast potato recipe. There's many more to come. Here we go. We move this out of the way. I got just a little trivet right there. Get the potatoes out of the way. And, whoa, what do we have here? Oh, look at that. Roasted chicken looking really good. If you want to know how to make this chicken, just subscribe and you're going to find it on the channel. It's right down there. Once you subscribe, you search chicken on the channel, you'll find all kinds of recipes. This particular one has garlic and peppercorns and all kinds of awesome stuff on there. So I'm going to put some of these Lyonnaise potatoes right here next to my standing chicken. Oh yeah, and we're going to add a quick garnish, and then you can try this at home, see how it turns out, come back and leave a comment, tell us, and you can impress your friends because they're not going to have tried your potatoes before that taste like this. Trust me, these are going to be good. Oh yeah, a little bit extra onions here. Okay, now for a garnish, I'm back to my ceramic knife, and I want to just do a couple of quick slices. I'm going to save the top for something else, and I'm just going to put a couple slices here like this. 1, 2, 3. Tomatoes go good with everything. You know that by now. All right, and for the garnish, I'm going to just cut these babies like this. I'm going to put 3 right here. Oh yeah, and I'm going to put 3 right here like this. Okay, one more thing. I always like to finish the tomato with something, so in this case I've got a little bit of garden basil. Put a little bit of basil on the tomato like this. Yeah, and since we're at it, what goes good with tomatoes? Oh, extra virgin olive oil, just a touch. And on tomatoes you gotta have salt. You know that already. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support the channel. Butcher blocks, knives, knife sharpeners, it's all in stock, and it's only the good stuff. Chef's not going to steer you wrong. This is the best stuff you can buy on the sponsors right there. Yeah, it's going to be good. Thanks for watching. And once again, have a beautiful day. Stunning butcher block, made to order and shipped direct to you. Free shipping, no tax, you'll love it. You get a mass and you
still have